Father. Maybe you've known about this word, not maybe, surely you have known about this word as a human being. Yeah, this word is not only called, and these each and every letters of this word is not only called a great combinations of some letters, and not only a letters for us, but also this each and every letters, and also this word is a great combinations of our life, of everything that you have in your life, of every sacrifices, of every love in your life, of each and every love of your life. So greetings from Vijaya.net and happy Father's Day to all. And today I'm here to describe about my father. Sorry, I have made a mistake. Maybe you have known. I don't know that have you got it or not, but that mistake is this video. I mean a video of like 5 minutes or 6 minutes or like 10 hours or like 24 hours is not enough to describe about my father, because this is too much little about my father, and this is not enough to describe about my father. You know what? Every time you lead a great life, and if you think about me, it was impossible for me to enjoy my life, to lead a great life, and to enjoy each and every moment of my life without my father. Yeah, that's true. Maybe that sounds a little bit weird for you if you think like the other things, though it can be like a little bit weird for you, but this is too much true in my life. This is a story for my life, that my life is too much incomplete without my father. You know what? That every time you lead a great life at your home, at your school, at everywhere, but your father did well, your father not did, your father are doing well. Every time they just out of the home and they work for you entire day, the whole day, every year, every month, every life, I mean the whole life, but they don't show us my father. This is a great example for my father. Like my father didn't show me, still my father haven't shown me the love of his. You know that every father in our world, they love you from the inside, but they doesn't show it from the outside, because they are the silent lover. I have been leading a great life since like 13 years, as I'm 13 years old right now. So that is a great life, and I have known many things from my father, and that was too much amazing. In my life, I didn't do a lot of things for my father, I didn't do a lot of things for my family, but you know what? That still my mother also love me a lot. Your life is just incomplete without your father and without your mother. Maybe you have too much relatives, you have so many, you have mountain of friends, you have mountain of relatives, you have mountain of cousins that can give you so much enjoyment, but this is not enough without your father and mother, because at the end of your life no one can help you. Maybe no one will help you, but that time your father, mother will help you absolutely that time. And now you know I'm a student, so I didn't did a lot of things for my father and my family, but today, as it's Father's Day, so I've arranged a little surprise for my father. I will show you later. Obviously, don't worry about it. I will show you later in another video, I mean the next video, because if I show you the surprise right now, so my father can just aware about it, and the surprise, it will be not surprise if I show you right now. So I will obviously, I just give you the promise, just I will show you the next video or some others video, so you will be know about it. That's what I have given and what I'm gonna give in to my father. So I think you will be know about it that time. And you know that I have spent a lot of time, not spend, still I am spending a lot of fun time and a lot of happy time with my family. If my father just go outside for 1 day, for 2 days, really I feel really sad. because there's some reason I think that have, but that time I really feel too much sad, because in our family is like immediate family and there are many members, but still that is not enough for me, because I know this is I'm not telling you this is too much common for each and every child, and the love of every father is not different, this is same. They don't show you. You can think that my father don't love me, my father don't love me, my friend's father have lots of money, lots of enjoyment, but this is too much nonsense if you think like that, because every father is your father is a great hero of your life. No one can be the hero of your life without your father, because one and only your father is a great hero of your life. So if you think that the father of my friends love him or her a lot, but my father don't love me, so you are really too much nonsense, and I think you don't need to watch this video, and you don't need to watch any kinds of video about father, about parents. I think so, because if you think that, so it will be too much nonsensical things, and I can remember that, I can realize, I can just think that you can think like that. So I think you shouldn't think like that your father don't love you, because every father in this world are silent lover. They love you from the inside, they really love you from the inside, but they will not show you from the outside. Like you can think like some relatives also, they show the love of their for the outside, but this is a one and only different person we have in our life, in our world, that is father, our father and my father. He will not show me the love of his from the outside, but my father really love me. I know about the thing. So I'm just recommending everyone, sometimes you did what, that you shout a lot for your father, to your father, mother, parents, relatives, family members, especially you shout a lot for your mother, for your father, to your father, mother. But this is not a great thing. You can think that if I shout to my father, to my mother, so I can be hero, but you are perfectly zero. So I think you shouldn't shout. You shouldn't shout a lot to your father. You shouldn't shout. You should obey your father and mother and each and every members of your family. And I'm recommending everyone that don't give heart to your father. Intentionally or unintentionally, sometimes we hurt our father and mother. But I know that we shouldn't hurt. I know it. You shouldn't hurt your father and mother for each and every and single time. You shouldn't hurt your father and mother, because they're sacrificing everything from you. Your father, your mother are sacrificing everything from you, especially your father, because after doing a lot of work outside the entire day, they just go to their home to just enjoy a great smile to your face. So when you will just go in front of your father, just try to smile, because they're working a lot to see a smile of your face. Actually, I'm just speechless today. I have nothing to say, because this day I know that what happened with me, but this day is totally different for me, because this is the first time that I'm celebrating Father's Day, because that time when Father's Day just gone, then I thought that yesterday was Father's Day, yesterday was Mother's Day, but I just get every preparation like before 3 months or 6 months. I just gave every preparation that I have to celebrate, and I was really too much aware about this day. And today I'm here, that's why, because I just want to share something, some moments of my life about my father. And I'm just recommending everyone that don't give hurt for your father. And this video is only for my father, because about this Father's Day. So I'm wishing all of you again happy Father's Day. I'm wishing you a great life. I'm wishing that I know you will obviously lead a great life with your father, mother, parents, and your family members and some other members that you have in your life. So I'm just trying to say that don't give hurt to your father, mother, and your parents, and try to be really good girl, not like me, because sometimes I just do some naughty things, you know, that's why. And sometimes there's another thing that if you don't get like A plus or some other things, your mother can shout about to you, your mother can shout to you, but your father will not shout, because they know the same things that you have you have just faced. So I'm just recommending everyone that love your father, and I really love my father a lot. I can express it because I really love my father a lot. And my father is a teacher, so he's not only a teacher of his school, but he's also a teacher of mine, because sometimes he also come to me to teach me, and to not only teach me the bookish knowledge, but also sometimes he come to me to teach me some out knowledge that I really need in my life. So that is really great. So thank you so much for watching me and listening to me with great passion. So happy Father's Day to you all again. So thank you so much. See you around in the next video. I'm wishing all of you a great luck. Thank you so much. Bye bye.